love the way I loved before. I don't wanna love that way no more. What have I been writing love songs for? I don't wanna write them anymore. I don't wanna sing from where I sang before.
Seo chuirde tá imil thar neis agus tá fáilteáil chuig an géad agrán sa tráthuair a teachúid ó lár na tíre. Táimeann sa ag Electric Picnic 2014.
I'm the only one I should adore. Oh, take me to church.
Féile ábhar cheolas a líana se Electric Picnic a bhheil an thurtar 35,000 duine. Sa chlár speisialtas beag na héana agus reinstar go túairscóirí a bhuala le cuidas na haliantóirí is spéisiúla tá tagansa. Sumí libistéir éagsúla tá breacha ar fud 600 acransa, gardan tráidhaile, agus áit bhaithí an trailer park le túsa chuir leis an lá. Hugo Gellett a bhunaigh an áit úntach aisteachsa.
Hugo, we're here in the trailer park. You're the mayor of this district. Tell me about this place and how it's grown over the years.
This is a sort of a crazy village, a collective of caravans, mobile homes, statics, and then creations that have been made through an art caravan competition over the last 6 months. So we're here inside a sort of a cluster or a small street network of stages and of caravan bars and of creations such as Caravanioke behind us. There are several more creations and it's sort of come to be the silly side of the Electric Picnic. The side where you get lost.
Sillier, maybe.
Sillier.
When you're putting out the call out in the months leading up to this, what are you looking for? What are you asking people to submit?
The most implausible and impractical ideas possible. And in amongst them, we wanted to get a little bit of architectural expertise, we wanted to get a little bit of musical expertise, but mostly we wanted to get people who had been looking over the hedge at their neighbour's caravan for the last while, wondering whether they might ever turn that into an octopus medicine show or something like that.
There's kind of a slight hillbilly theme running through some of the features here as well, and there's a ranch behind me. Tell me about that.
The ranch behind us here belongs to a charity called My Lovely Horse. This is an offshoot of it called My Lovely Ranch. It's run by Kathy Davey, who's a musician in her day-to-day life. But actually her real passion is rescue animals, and so she's managed to bring down to the picnic a sort of a rabble of three-legged dogs and blind donkeys and limping horses, and has created a little ranch with a stage where her friends pop in and play, and people get to come and meet her animals and understand what she does in that charity.
There's a couple of limping two-legged animals falling around the place today as well. They might find sanctuary there.
I think that's the place for them.
Funny how to it's like Caravanoke, cad a hain.
Karaoke caravan, Cormid and swing of couple of shachten o hen. Tagan dine.
Shachten o hen?
Yeah.
Jesus, we should go.
Tagan dine stach, agus Denishin Kyo, like, you know.
Keine ken al dine ta shachte stach, back in der shachte.
Gachsais dine exacte stach. Dine Shincher, dine Bioga, Tasha Krakal, Jeffad.
Agus an shifte yen an alien like the Brian Shigahalan like.
Yen Kieran Dunleavy on alien Hashigahalan ta Freddie Mercury, Madonna, Bob Marley.
Mahone or Hul Madonna.
Vogue Mahone, agus ta na Beatles a Vala Shin.
Agus is when Jerry Shafton show cadit na Harra on ta dine lurg.
Talan Bonnie Tyler, Talan Power Ballads, Talan
Neil Enrid needs fair na Power Ballad.
Neil.
Cad I know the special to me all Electric Picnic dar let's
Nadine tá gachstais din an seo agus tá atmosfér úntach an seo. Tá gachéine cardúil agus just tá gachéine sus leis an crack, you know.
So Bonnie Tyler, chuna make a major good she'ler, you know, backup vocalist. So
well, it's stocker. Tus on fair, yeah.
Better go element.
Yeah. Okay. All right, glad Tristan.
Mar an rahan tú feistethe geart is féidir an scéal a chur na cheart an sa Caravan Betty Bang. Ní nach makeover maidine dochar dom hain ná de russa ná sibéal. Tá scata dégóir as chun éon chabháin tris pléasca ar an saoil ceol le cúpla bliain anuas, agus ard bhula feiticecha ó le Héadí Paul Weller, Elton John agus go leor eile ar sula go ceol rithim is gurmacha. Leis an áran Blue Collar Jane, seo hiad The Stripes.
Knocks upon my door. She just wants some milk and sugar, but all I want is her. Blue collar Jane, my girl, you're causing quite a stir. Oh, he could be B-L-U-E, C-O-L-L-A or J-A-N-E. Oh, baby, please, if you could see, then you'd agree that I love Blue Collar Jane and she loves me. Blue Collar Jane, always in your town, never wears her hair up because she's always dressing down. Got a four-wheel drive, you know that's how she gets around. Blue Collar Jane, my girl, you knocked me to the ground. Oh, we could be B-L-U-E, C-O-L-L-A or J-A-N-E. Oh, baby, please, if you could see, then you'd agree that I love Blue Collar Jane and she loves me. Blue Collar Jane, always in your town, never wears her hair up because she's always dressing down. Got a four-wheel drive, you know that's how she gets around. Blue Collar Jane, my girl, you knocked me to the ground. Now we could be B-L-U-E, C-O-L-L-A or J-A-N-E. Oh, baby, please, if you could see, then you'd agree that I love Blue Collar Jane and she loves me. That I love Blue Collar Jane and she loves me. That I love Blue Collar Jane and she loves me.
DJ Úidir, Grian Hrafador agus Ceoltóir is se an fear Ildánach BP Fallon, atá chur faoi howlin Austin, Texas. Tá sé casig electric picnic lena grúpa The Ghost Wolves agus hiag mé sios na deanta le Haid Cora.
You've performed here at Electric Picnic before. Why do you keep coming back? What's special about this festival, do you think?
It's a fantastic vibe. The people are great. It's just cool, you know.
How do you feel festivals have changed since maybe the festivals of, let's say, the 1970s?
They've changed enormously insofar as the festival, by its very essence, originally was an underground thing. You know, it was not Top of the Pops. It was not Rihanna or something like that. Now it can be. Do I think that's a bad thing? No, not necessarily. But it's gone overground now.
Tell me, what is it like sharing the stage with a living legend like BP Fallon?
It's a lot of fun. He has great energy on stage, and he really encourages us to express ourselves. He's very open, so we're able to work freely with him, and I can't say that about everyone, so I feel like it's a really great working relationship, and we really enjoy it.
Each one trying to be back first, with a triple cheeseburger covered in molasses and lard. The food that killed the king.
We'll talk a little bit about Austin, actually, because I know that that's a very important part of this group. That must be very inspiring, being surrounded by all that music, too.
Fantastic. It's an adrenalizer, you know, it's really like... And the other thing is you have to be good, because there's all these other great musicians, you know. There's no point in a band being good, really, actually. You know, you have to either be really, really brilliant or completely, really, really shite, because both ways you'll be remembered. If you're just a good band, your ordinary band who gives a toss, you know, people go home and they don't remember the band, they don't remember the songs, they don't remember what colour shoes the guy was wearing or nothing.
Before I let you go, is there anyone here you're excited to see this weekend?
I'm without sounding, you know, incredibly unhumble, I'm really, really excited about us playing.
Hias ag bun na páirce tá ar dúir scóir sibéal David a brathnú ar chuirsaí rince, agus duine is na rincóirí is spéisiúla tá gin bhéile í Kate Finnegan.
Don't mind if rain falls. Take me outside. Sit in the green garden.
Kate Finnegan, Astor, Dansor, Ildana. Tá anagin ar chéile ar fan na mlíonta agus tá tacaí ag Electric Picnic le rud ar lethe dhéanamh céirdéis sin.
Well, by me again of burlesque, Pobl Gaelga, by me again of burlesque Amoric, Ihe de Hahran, August Bubble Jellyfish Freshen.
Okay, dansa burlesque, cur láthair burlesque. Beidir go gapan dína gur rud ar lethe tá annach tá stílní agsúla an. Cén sort stílí an suhain?
So ní dhéanam síl sean asianta, so ó na chuigeí, déanam síl nua amstratha, so déanam mime, déanam like rudí tá taithí a drama, mar rinne mé dramaíochta Gloucester Trinoide, so just hamtíir a críicnatha. So inis déanam burlesque le drama agus like character agsúla.
Agus í tú rá go mín tuisgúil cinál cúra agat sa drámaíocht. An bhfuil cinál baint ag an feminachas leis?
Yeah, cínte. Rinne mé matráachtas ar feminachas agus bhí méid dúrasteach ar burlesque. So nuair haon daoine chuig burlesque, nó ní bhíon fearháin ag brathnú ar cholíní. Like bhíon an chud is móda ama bhí tagan cholíní ag brathnú ar cholíní agus tugann si tacaigh mór do cholíní a bheith ar an stáit agus ceapan goil sé sin le cótábhacht do feminachas.
Agus rú tú han tú starnahat a gomórtas anhhuir le déanaí, Miss Burlesque, an túsúil burlesque airnach.
Well, fuair mé sa dara áit, fuair mé Miss Burlesque Dublin. So sin just jet ionfach domsa, just mé héna churmach agus just a bheith mar Astor, a bheith mar Stúrthóir, agus síban mé.
Bós chóóg sin chumá é sin ar fád baint amach go. Gur mágad.
My lover's got humor. She's the giggle at a funeral. Knows everybody's disapproval. I should have worshipped her sooner. If the heavens
Fáilte Harnash. Haspána mar fís an ceol in Urigan sa her imel leis an geoltóirt Hosier, agus tá breis 8 milliún duine tréis breatnúir an bhís an céine den Aaron Take Me to Church ó hinne le. Tá damsúltaige agus é nig sinnim ag chudas na féilte is mó ar dain. Big a chéad chearnína eisiúntaige an tachtain se chuin, agus leir mé leis tréis do Electric Picnic a chur faoi riocht ar an bríomh stáitse.
I have never seen a crowd that big at Electric Picnic. How did that feel, having thousands of people singing along with your music?
It's a good feeling. It's a feeling I haven't quite processed yet, but it's felt good. It was a big gig.
Looking up there, you seem very serene. I mean, the last year has been a bit of a whirlwind. Tell me about the last year of the life of Hosier.
Yeah, to be honest, it's kind of like I played Electric Picnic last year. I opened up, I think, the Cosby tent or something like that. It is, and it somehow feels like it was almost 2 weeks ago, or it could have been 3 years ago. So it's been a busy year. I guess I haven't been in Ireland all that much, so I haven't seen. That's a real shock. Every time I come home, to see a crowd like that is a big shock to me.
And singing every lyric of your song.
Yeah. I don't experience that when, like, I don't see that happen until I get home and then I realize people have been listening to songs. You know? So that's.
I was looking at the schedule you've had the last couple of months, and it's unbelievable. How do you find time to write new material? Do you do that on the road?
I don't find time. It's kind of, sadly, I do certainly on a bus. When you're bus living, you're not in airports all the time, so you have a few hours. You might have a travel day, so I'd keep a guitar at hand just to get some ideas down. But I think for me, writing was a very isolated experience, and it's something I like to remove myself away from things, to do. So it'd be nice to maybe try that again, when things are a bit quieter. But
it's not going to happen anytime soon.
Yeah, the schedule is hectic. So I'm still getting my head around this. It's been a fast year, so I think you just have to be true to your influences and just be true to the songs you want to write, and that's all I've been doing. And hopefully I'll keep doing it.
Andrés is like the Shanna Hahi got their electric picnic. What is Martha failing in Blenasa?
Tá sé hácín am lína, Massam gur bé an picnic is fear a bhí agam riomh.
Could I see an fá Kirschis an geolatá got jip hop and term úsáid into? Could I say sin?
Cinál joke down really. Nor bhí muid his an astral, bhí muid kind of egíri ceol gweithfideach a casú agus bhí muid, you know, pleiceach le Yiddish music, Gypsy music, Eastern European music, Bulgarian music. Agus bhí muid cinál portrait spéilis just a microphone ag an am cinna rabba-da-bam-ba-da-da-bam-ba-da-da-da-da. Agus tháinig ceantar lead san astral agus dúirt sé journalist a bhí an, dúirt sé Don Earstower, is it some kind of Irish Gypsy Gaelic hip-hop? Agus dúirt me, yeah, sin gyp-hop.
Tuair an móthar ríist go luúin nach big.
Tam se an móthar i gcónaí. Yeah, tá, yeah. But I mean for by me a tomb agus a Bellawirt agus I Jera for by me hús mlach lí agus runch áiti chéile ar fud na tíre leis an seo nua far fast a bhú gaga.
Cin start show é?
Kind of meascán idir ceol agus scéaltaí. Scéal faoi leid nachhfuil go maith ag pelle agus fásta si siús a bailí mór a bhfuil as a leabhar le pelle.
Right.
Ní léine rud autobiographical faoi really.
People in glass houses can't see the wood for the new broom.
Rodúntaach mé ealar éiltin a go dtugann sé deis dalíontóirí búla le chéile agus an stáitse a roiinte deanta chéile. Bert de bhór élí na Héireann iad Paul Muldoon agus Nuala ní Ghónal agus leabhar mé leo tréis dómh léamh sa Mindfield.
Paul, how does it feel to read here at Electric Picnic?
You know, it's absolutely brilliant. I think one of the delightful aspects, the many delightful aspects of this festival, is that it extends beyond the musical realm, which of course is a massive realm, but I think it takes into account the fact that poetry and music, the lyric and music are so connected.
Gig Jacker is it's an glóig gan. Ach tá seanna himú, tá seanna himú. Agus is maith an rud go bhfuil filiocht agus rudí mar sin I gceist comá.
Tú léamh gan out le Paul Muldoon agus tascan gúil seanata go bhar chéile. Braham gúil cadre speisialta adre bhfuil.
Tána seanna go mar. Agus thánam líonta bhí seanna bhagam riamh.
Mar aistir thóir is léir go dtuigeann siad a chud filiocht ar bhealach nach dtuigeann mar an beidir.
Tás an fíor agus ní hamháin san ach tá gailen den scoige. Tá seanna óga seach go léir na tangan. Is bhí na bheith mar an daoine tá sa satíirse. Cé go bhfuil sé America. Agus tóilm go bhéh an fága neistún sé mar gáanta san ná go mín sé uignach in éag na tangan agus é mo America agus an san nar a hagan leabhart mo chuid amach dearan sé le sé bhfuil is slíomh seo contacta seach ar an dangar ríist.
You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it hold its nose to the grindstone.
I take translation as a form of criticism, of the closest form of reading there is. And for that reason, I began to translate Nuala, and I continue to translate Nuala, because I want a reader.
Nuair a bhágais do churcháin cuirt bheitthe taobh leis an daon a chur cean go lé is bliana I gás na bheith á riamhthe ach éon uair a chuig go bháin. A chuir is gáhéad I muir agus téad I ddíirithe in áit nach raibh pound a bhuala, gaid a luasca, rion da grion sculta, nó bhí préachláin an éire déanamh cacaile.
There are very few people, I suspect, who have the insights into Irish culture plus the sense of the international latest thinking in a range of areas. Can't quite think of anyone who combines those two things, really.
Wyt ti das tachig féile tá de fiúil mar seo?
Oh yeah, it's ansport the fada.
Na wellies ar tain nula?
Oh well, Cas, big on you style of her man.
Well, tá tú feisteach ige. Ach mallet cynnal ordan anna i'r fiúil a bheith ag filiach na
Oh
gaeilge.
yeah, oh tá sean a hawk, yeah. Oh, spiarna me. Agus bhíon pobl lám, agus bhí éisteach únta bháid. Ag filiach ingailge agus an bíorla, agus áránaí ingailge agus an bíorla. So, sin rud únta. Starno.
Grúpa indie Austrálach iad Shepherd agus fuair una malalaí graimirthe le písa cainte agus ceol.
Thank you guys for taking the time out to have a little chat with us in your winter, our summer. In terms of how things are going for you guys, I was saying to you earlier that I heard that tune Geronimo twice on the way down here in a very short period of time. It's clearly getting a lot of traction.
It's crazy. That's really crazy to us. We just played our set before and they were shouting, Geronimo, sing Geronimo. That's crazy. You can't believe that people...
Patience, my pretties.
It's really incredible that people across the world know our song. It's cool.
Yeah.
It's quite difficult to get to like the music industry hubs of the States or Europe or the UK or whatever. I mean, is it hard for you guys? Are you going to have to consider relocating at some point?
I'm not sure because we do have quite a large fan base in Australia now that we've worked really hard for. I think we'll just be doing a lot of touring. I don't think we'll be based anywhere except the sky.
Do you need specific time out to write? Do you need to be chilled or do you prefer the busyness of that kind of like friction in terms of stress and running around and stuff?
We don't really set a time to write though. We just kind of jam and stuff comes out and then we just go with that. So it's usually like over a period of time, songs just pop up.
How do you feel about when you look to the things that you want to achieve, like this time next year? What would you like to have done kind of creatively or even as a kind of a group?
Well, this time next year, we'd love to come back to the UK and Ireland and Europe. It'll be, I don't know, hopefully bigger audiences, an album. We've got our album ready to go, but I think we just need to build up our fan base here a bit more and yeah, new singles hopefully.
Just share our music with as many people who will want to listen, I guess. That's the big thing.
Well, we rushed it, moving way too fast, so we crushed it. But it's in the past, we can make this leap through the curtains of the waterfall, yeah. Ooh. So say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo. Can you feel? Just a boy with a broken toy, all lost and coy. At the curtains of the wall. So it's here I stand as a broken man, but I found my friend. At the curtains of the wall. Now I'm falling down through the crashing sound, and you've come around. At the curtains of the wall. And you rushed to me, and it sets us free, so I fall to my knees. At the curtains of the waterfall. So say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo. Can you say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo. Make this leap. Make this leap. Make this leap. Make this leap. Can you feel my love? And if you only hold me tight, we'll be